So, after the Griswolds were done with their Christmas vacationing and traveling, they came into Recon Tri-Cities detail to get the oxidization removed off their vehicle and get some gloss back into this to start the new year off. So, this is a much older model Chevy Capri. As you see, the paint's pretty oxidized on this. There's a water spot buildup here on the windows and the exterior. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this off with our prep wash, and that includes just a pre-spray of water, high sudsing soap, degreasing, getting contaminants off the surface with clay barring, and then we will start doing the deoxidization process on the exterior of this vehicle to get some gloss back into the finish of this. So after we get this all soaked up and clean and we rinse it off, we're going to start compounding the single stage paint on this to remove the oxidization. The tool that we're using here is our Rupus LR15 Mark II with a yellow pad and compound to remove the oxidization. After that, you can see the results in this, a much higher gloss in the finish after that dead paint is removed from the surface. So once we compounded all the painted surface of the exterior of the vehicle, you can see there's a much better gloss in the finish of this, saving the customer of having to repaint their vehicle and preserving the original paint. So that's another one done here at Recon Tri-Cities Detail. That's a few before and afters here. Who's next?